Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in, my name is Naomi Hosea. I'm a YouTuber. I film about marriage, lifestyle and education. Today I'm just going to be doing cooking. I'll be cooking some I'll be cooking some food. I'll be cooking some meals this evening. Okra soup and bushmeat. So if you want to see what I'm cooking, then stay back and keep on watching. Okay. All right, so over here we have onion. Over here we have the what's this called, bushmeat. Over here we have fish. I'm not using a lot of fish, just 3 pieces. We are not much. And over here we have pepper and crayfish. That's what we have here. Okay. Alright, so and we also have our okra that I have pounded. I cut the okra and then I pounded it with pepper. So that's what we have here. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this okra and this fish to prepare okra soup. Okay, it's not something much, it's just small something. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's start cooking. Okay, so I've just put on the gas and put the pot on fire. I'm just going to add the fish now. Okay, so we have a salt here. I'm just going to sprinkle that in. We also have thyme. I'm just going to sprinkle that in as well. I'm going to add in a little water. I'm going to put in my Maggi cubes. Right here. Just going to add that now. Okay. Then we have our onion. I'm just going to put in some of that. That's it. Just going to add that. And I'm going to add just a tablespoon of crayfish and pepper to that. And I'll stir. And I'll allow it to cook. Let's see how it is now. So this is how it's going. See that? I'm going to add in our red oil. That'll be enough. So look at how it's looking now. We're going to add in our okra, the star of the moment. I'm just going to use I'm making this okra soup as simple as I can. So you see that. Just allow that to cook. So I'm going to add in more crayfish now. So I'll be enough this soup. see how the okra is looking now. You can see. Okay, the soup is ready, as you can all see. So I'm just going to remove that now. The thing I'm cooking is the what's this thing called? The bushmeat. So I've put the pot on fire. Alright, so we have our red oil here. I'm just going to put that in now. Really well. As the water going in, so take me another. So that will be enough to cook the meat. A little bit of this. To the pot. As you can see, I still have some here that I'll be using later. Stick that in. The thyme. Just a little quantity of that. I'll add in 2 cubes and salt. So we'll allow this to boil. Okay, so let's see, it's boiling now. So I'm just going to add the bushmeat to it. Alright, so this our bushmeat. Just going to add that in. Okay, and allow it to cook. Properly. Okay, it's cooking up. You can see. Alright, so let's check what we have here. It's almost ready. So as you can see, it's ready. Let me just put in the leftover crayfish, okay, and also test it to know if it tastes good. So I just added the leftover crayfish and it tastes really good, guys. Let me not lie for you guys, this tastes really good. Tastes really good. You can see that. Just want this to incorporate. So I'm just going to. We are eating this with okra soup. Yeah. So we're going to use to eat pounded yam. Alright, so here is our bushmeat. Isn't it looking so yummy and lavish? Yeah. And over here we have our okra soup that we'll be using to eat, we're using this tool to eat pounded yam. You guys are so familiar with cooking pounded yam, so I don't think that's necessary, but this is the yam we're going to use to cook, to eat the to eat what to eat the soup with. So, and it's already cooking steady. Okay.